You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. Yes, many people get confused because the pronunciations are somewhat similar, but they are different, and those two words have a very different meaning. So let's get starting. So the top word here, spelling L-I-V-E, meaning to remain alive, all right, to be alive. So this is pronounced lev, all right, lev. It's an E, it's a short E sound, lev, lev, all right. The bottom word is a different meaning. It means essentially when you are going away from somewhere, you leave somewhere or you leave somebody. So it's pronounced leave. All right, it's a long E sound. It's more like the sound of a double E. E. Leave, as in they leave the room. All right, so let's listen carefully to those two words. Top word, lev, lev, versus leave, lev, leave, lev, leave. Can you hear the difference? Can you hear how much shorter the E sound is in lev than it is in leave? Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.